Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the video I promised, our package from Johnny's that got here yesterday. It's unopened. I've been waiting very impatiently. This is the other seeds for our flower farm. I will also be sharing a video soon about what I get for my garden, like our vegetables and fruit seeds. So also stay tuned for that one. I'll do another unboxing and you can see everything we got that we're going to plant for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this one up. Might have to go get some scissors. Here we go. Okay, so first things first, we have our invoice. There's a lot of stuff on here, guys. A lot. Okay, so these ones don't have pictures at all. I thought they would, but I'm going to tell you what they are anyways. This is a Saponaria White Beauty. And I honestly can't remember which one this is, otherwise I would try to describe it. I think it is like with smaller flowers, really branchy, filler type flowers. Alright, here's a stock. This is the Cat's Formula Mix. It had some whites and pinks and purples in there. Really pretty. This is Salvia Victoria Blue. These are some really pretty spiky flowers. They look almost like lavender. They're really pretty, like bluish purple color. Here are some branching sunflowers, buttercream, some celosia. This is the Eternity Improved. Here is the, I don't know how to say this, Eryngium, the blue glitter. These are like those little spiky ones. They look almost like, what are they called? Teasel. They look almost like teasel, but they're smaller and they're a bluish color. Here is a Chinese forget-me-not. Another sunflower, the Jade F1. This one's really pretty. I think this is the one with like a lighter center. And man, some of these are gonna be so exciting. Okay, the Zinnia Queen Red Lime. And this is the only of the Queen Lime ones we got, I think. So we just kind of want to see what it was like. Here is the Silver Drop Eucalyptus. And they were out of the silver dollar when I went to order. But I was hoping for that one, but it'll be alright. Here is a Sweet Annie. This is a filler. It has almost kind of like bead looking pods on the ends of it. It's really bushy. Here is the Yarrow Colorado Mix. This is another one that we just really wanted to try. So many that we wanted to try. Okay, here's the Dusty Miller. I don't remember. It looks like we got one of each. One of the ones with the softer leaves, and then the one that has more of the detailed, like cutout type leaves. So we got one pack of each. We were trying to get some filler ones because we didn't have a lot in the Renee's Garden order. Here's the other Saponaria, and this is Pink Beauty. So I think that was what I was saying. It's like these smaller flowers on really branchy stems, and it looked like it would be a great filler flower. So we got the pink one and the white one. Alright, here is the other Dusty Miller. Must be in like a tube or something. So there's that one. Here is the Amaranth Coral Fountain. And if you remember in the other video I showed the picture of the Amaranthus, the Love Lies Bleeding, the really like maroon one. This is the same as that, but it is the Coral Fountain, so it's like a coral color. Here is some Dara. I think this is like the chocolatey Queen Anne's Lace looking one, and it also has some pinks in there. We got some of the sun balls, the little yellow balls that dry super good. And then we got some kale to try, some of the ornamental ones. So I think it's a mix, or maybe it's not a mix. Let's see. I guess it might not be a mix, but we got some ornamental kale to try because I've seen really cool bouquets with that. Here is an ornamental grass frosted explosion. Here's another branching sunflower called Sonia. We got the Cinderella Peach Zinnia to try. It looks super, super cute, so. Here's another Celosia, the Terracotta. We got a vintage white straw flower. Here's another Amaranth Emerald Tassel. So this is like a limer green color. Super pretty as well. Okay, here's the Basil Aromato, which is I think the purple one. It's like a darker purple color. Some Persian cress. This is another green filler. Some verbena. The Gomphrena Audrey White. And then Bells of Ireland. And then we also got 2 of these, which are super exciting. These are for stripping the leaves off and also any thorns. So if you're using roses or blackberries, you can just strip off all of the nasty thorns and leaves without hurting yourself. So we got 2 of those. And then we also got a soil blocker. This is, I believe, the 2-inch is the one we went with. So that's what that looks like. This is to make your own soil blocks that you can start seeds in. So you don't have to use like the plastic little cells, you can just use these and they're just dirt and then you just plant them how they are, like that. And I've heard really positive reviews not only about like the less waste that it has, but also the root system grows really well when it can aerate like that. And yeah, so we're really excited to try this out as well. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and I hope you're super excited as I am to see how our flower farm goes this year. It probably looks like we got way too much stuff and we might have. There are 2 of us working on it, but we'll see how it goes. We're going all in. So I will see you guys soon in the next video and thank you so much for watching and I hope you're having a great day. Bye guys!